Get in the action. Your Green Bay Blizzard are back. Experience hair-raising, exhilarating professional indoor football. Old school style. Opening night is Throwback Night. Get a free Blizzard throwback cap Friday, March 9th. The Blizzard battle the Cedar Rapids Titans at Brown County Arena. Celebrate old school with a free Blizzard retro trucker cap and 4 large beers for just $10. Tickets on sale now at the Resch Center box office or at TicketStarOnline.com. Get up close. Feel the rush of professional indoor football. The Green Bay Blizzard.